Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I am going to show you how to draw a cute monkey hanging from a vine. So let's get started. So as always, we will start by sketching out the basic shapes. So first I am going to do a circle for his face and kind of an oval for his body. So since he is hanging, I am making the picture a little tilted and not really straight. Then I'm going to So the next thing are the feet. So I'm going to give him his feet like he's jumping. So and that's it. So now we will start to add the details. So I'm just going to do the vine first. So it's like coming out of the paper and going down. And then I have to make the hands as if he's holding it. So from here I'm going to make his fingers like this. And then you can erase off the inside part. You can fix his arms a little and maybe you can make his body a little thinner. Again, fix this hand. So for this hand, I'm thinking to add a banana on his other hand. Like that. And there you go. So there, this is. Now we'll start removing some of the lines that we don't need anymore. Yes. And yeah, I think that's it with the body for now. And now I'm going to add details to his face. So first thing, then maybe his ears, and then I'm going to give him a wavy hair, kind of like Curious George, then a big smile on his face, and then I want his tongue to be sticking out a little. The nose, the nostril, and his eyes. And then you can erase away all the lines that you don't require anymore, and you're done. I'm going to add some leaves on the vines. And there he is. So next all I'm going to do is color it, and I'm going to be done. So I colored it with my color pencils, and this is how it looks. And I hope you all try out this drawing at home, and hope you all liked it. So see you next time. Bye bye.